I'm so happy that for the first time I've been called upon to move a motion in this house. The person before me was here for 12 years. The reverse was the case. I'm happy that Ali Adeyemi Taufik, representing the people of Mushin 1 and Industrial Heaven. Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleagues, Honorable Falake, approach the chair.
Mushin 1 is in Lagos.
I thank you so much for this opportunity. The motion before me, there's urgent need to stop industrial hub from total collapse. Mr. Speaker, this house is solved. Know that administration of President Olusegun Obasanjo embarked on a series of reforms to revamp the power sector with the enactment of electric power sector reform out of 2005, which led to the handing of National Electric Power Authority (NEPA) to Power Holdings of Nigeria Limited (PACL). Also note that the onboarding was to make electricity generation and supply available to consumers, making the sector investor-friendly, and dismantled NEPA's monopoly with transmission company of Nigeria (TCN), 6 electricity generating companies, GESCO, and 11 electricity distribution company, DISCO, as successor during the administration of President Ibeli Jonathan. Aware that the Act also provided for the establishment of Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission (NERC), which is saddled with the regulation of tariffs and service quality to oversee the activities of the industry for the efficiency and other responsibility which NERC is inclined to trade. Cognizant that the DISCOs have pure knowledge of challenges, grid energy, insufficiency and instability, tariffs challenges, revenue shortfalls, metering challenges, operational challenges, energy debts, and network infrastructural challenges facing PACM before liquidation. Worried that the electricity supply in terms of quality and coverage has remained very poor in Mushin and its environment, despite the pure knowledge and huge projected amount enjoyed by DISCOs for federal government covers. Concerned that sensible parts of Mushin 1 have been in total darkness for the past 1 year, most especially the industrial hub. One of the heartbeats of Lagos economy is facing low electricity supply. Why those that enjoy epileptic supply of electricity are being using gas estimated bill? Display that the industrial hub of Lagos has strong shadow of itself as a result of the poor power electricity supply, which has led to the collapse of some industries and location of most of them to neighboring countries like Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, among others, thereby creating armies of unemployment and unemployed youth. Convinced that if the government could take a bold step by introducing independent power supply producer, IPP, or non-utility generator, NUG, as introduced in Onitsha market in Enugu State and in Surah market in Lagos, especially, these companies will fully back in production. My resource: 1. All Nigeria Regulation Commission (NERC) to assess the efficiency and effectiveness of DISCO as stated in the responsibility of the Commission in order to ameliorate the suffering of the people. 2. Install independent power producer (IPP) or non-utility generator (NUG) in the industrial hub, as is done in Surah market in Lagos and Onitsha market in Enugu State. 3. All the Ikeja Electric Company (IKED) to overhaul and change outdated and non-functional equipment to justify the billing given to the people. 5. Mandate the committee in power when constituted to ensure compliance. Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleagues, I so move. Thank you.